what I plan on doing today is I went ahead and cut some paper for this right here. I want to get this finished. I think it's going to be really cute. So let me go ahead and glue these down, and then we're going to be doing some other things, okay? And I love this paper here so much that I went and just cut this out. Do I want that one over there? I think I like it like, maybe like that. Well, I don't know. This looks like it's on the edge. No, I'm going to have to put this one over here because it has words and I don't want it to be crooked. So let me go ahead and glue this down first. Now, since this one has that slight little overlap, I cut it just a little bit, I mean, not as wide, because I don't want to have that problem I had before. But you won't do that because you will dry fit yours much better than I did. And I think that one could have been a little less wide. Okay, I'm loving how that is looking. I think that's really pretty. Then I found this. It was in my clear die cuts. And I thought that would be funny if I'd say, put right here, oh dear, I shall be late, because he's looking at his clock. And you could even, if you wanted, put a little string on that. I'm not going to. I'm just gonna do it like this. And then I think I'll put it about right there. And just use my art glitter glue. I think that is really cute. Now for our back part of this page. Okay, then on the back side of this, what I wanted to do is I cut this and I want to put Alice and all of her friends in their tea party. So what I want to do is try to do a better dry fit. And I think I need to cut a little bit off. I'm going to take a little bit off the top and a little bit off this side, just a smidgen, and I'll be right back. Okay, let's look at this, because I'm going to try to let some of that burgundy stick out because I really like it. How is that? Really could go a little shorter on that bottom. So let me go in there and trim this again. Okay, and this was out of the 12 by 12 paper pad. But I think it looks better if you can see some of that. Now, before I put that down, I've also cut a piece. If you'll remember, my pages are 8 long by 6 wide. And I cut this 8 long by 5.5 wide because I'm going to score it at 1/2 inch and we're going to put it on here. So let me get my little scoring tool. And we're going to score this at 1/2 inch. And I get this from the Dollar Tree. I love it. Then I'm going to get out my 1/2 inch tape that I picked up off of Amazon. I think I could have used a smaller one, really, but we'll go with it. And we'll burnish this really well. And we're going to turn it this way and score it. Okay, make sure I have this right side up. Okay, and then we're just going to put this right here. So let me get my little tool, once again from the Dollar Tree. I love these. They work really well, and for $1.25, you cannot beat it. Okay, make sure you have this right side up, and I hope my head has not been in this shot all along. And we're just going to put it right down through there and pull this out. Then we're going to burnish this down on both sides, okay? So now when I put this right in here, that will be good, okay? So all I have to do is make sure that I center this up nicely. All right, now you don't want to get this to where it's on where you fold, because you want to be able to still fold that. I think that looks really good, and we are getting a little bit of that burgundy. I thought I might as well just practice and see what I can do. Okay, then I cut the rest of this right here. Now I'm going to have to cut this as well. Let's see how much I need off of that. I should have probably cut them together. It's about 1/8 of an inch. So let me take 1/8 of an inch off the bottom and off this side. Okay, got to take some more off the side. Don't you just love that paper? It is so pretty. All right, let's check this out. I think this will work. Oh, yes. Okay, I like that. And I want to make sure. Okay. All right, so we're going to put this on with our art glitter glue. This paper pad is just so whimsical and vibrant. I love working with it, but sometimes these dots can play with your eyes. At least mine. Okay, I'm going to stand up because I really like to get this pretty even. Oh, I like it. Okay, it will fold. Okay. I was going to get my magnets and put it right here so it would, but I think it may stay closed well enough. I think that's just what I'll do. Unless I can think of something to put on the other side that would hold it down. I know I'm going to put that clock there. Oh, I could do that. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to get a negative. All right, so if I stick this on here, and then I close that, that would keep it closed. Okay, I'm going to take my positive Okay, I'm going to put that there. Okay, now I'm going to glue this down. And I'll put a little bit of glue there. I'll put that right there. You're really supposed to put it on paper, but I forgot. So I don't even think I'm going to glue the top. I'm just going to leave it like that and let that little top pop up, okay? Then I'm going to put some paper right there. Okay. All right, there that is. I've hooked that. I hope I'm not making this confusing. All right, then I'm going to put this on here. Now, since I have that, I'm only going to cut a little bit off of here because I definitely have to hide that. Okay, I've cut that. And you definitely could be inking this if you wanted, and I should have been, really. And I'm going to cut some off of the top. Okay, now, I like that, okay? So I'm going to get this, take my art glitter glue, and put it right down here. Put this in. Going to stand up. There's usually always a way to fix something. Just don't give up and don't feel like you've ruined it. Okay, so now you can see that's like that. And what I want to do is I want to put this little teapot here like it's, I want it half on and half off, maybe like it's getting ready to pour. And this came out of the collectibles. It's double-sided. So I want to make sure I put that on the right side. And I just kind of fussy cut it out. But I left some places in, like in there, that blue. I knew there was no need for me to even attempt. And then there's my, it's always tea time. But don't do what I did. I don't want to glue this side, okay? Because we want it to open. So I think that's really cute. You open it like this. Now I'm thinking, and I don't care about this sticking out a little bit right there. That's not gonna bother me at all, okay? I'm thinking about maybe, I made this little element here that would pull like that out. And I don't know if I want to put it there or where I want to put it. So we'll just wait. I don't know if that's where I want that. So we've got those 2 pages for now done. Okay, so I cut this. Came out of the 12 by 12. It is their chessboard, okay? And then I took Humpty Dumpty and Alice. And this is cut, it just depends on how big you want it. I just wanted to be able to see her feet up to there. So this is cut at 6 5/8. No, 6 5/8 long. And its widest part is 5. And I just went ahead and put my paper on the front and the back and then took scissors and trimmed it, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and just put this down. This does not need to be cut because I had decided that I was going to try to put the edges around it at this point. Okay, so I'm going to get this. I'm going to stand up. But don't be afraid to work on your books or attempt it. It's not hard. It's really easy. The worst thing you can do is be afraid or think you're going to ruin something, because you can always save something, pretty much always, okay? And right now, I just messed up. This was supposed to go under here, so you know what? Under here you will go. I just sort of took it easy and pulled it up. All right, let's just see where I would have wanted this, because I want to kind of line this up. Okay. I think that'll be all right. Yeah. All right. So you put it over to the edge, pull it off, and you burnish it. Okay, see? We did not mess this up. Not because I didn't try. Now, really, that should have gone up a little more. Now, I could have aligned this better, but it doesn't bother me because Alice is such a little whimsical book. All right, now we're going to put this back on here. I found that the art glitter glue will come off sometimes, and sometimes you're just stuck. But if you're going to order it, make sure that you get it before it gets cold, because they won't ship it when it gets cold because it freezes. Okay. So maybe this video should be how to correct your mistakes. I'm having quite a few here today, all right? Okay, I thought that I would like to have that chest because it's going to look like that, okay? And once again, I should have put, oh my gosh, I should have put a magnet there, but it's all right. All right, so I thought I would put this here. Let me get all my little pieces and parts. Okay, I thought I'd put the king there. Then I thought I would put the queen right there, like she's got her eye on Alice. Or I could, no, I think I'll put it, because I don't like it that close, I don't think, to Humpty Dumpty. I think I kind of like that. Then when we open this, we can put maybe like that. And if you wanted, you could leave these as little tucks and not glue them all the way down. I think that's what I'll do, okay? So let's see how this works. Gonna put that right there. And these came out of the die cuts. Just put a little bit there. I thought that would be cute. Then I'll put this one here. Well, this one's not going to be a tuck. It's going to go all the way down, which is okay. Okay. And then this one, I think I'll put him right here. I used to know the names of all these. I think I'll put this all the way on too. Like the rooks and the all that, but I've forgotten them. Okay, I think that is really cute, all right? So I think we're going to stop for today. Let's look at what we've done so far today. Okay, this is what let's recap what we did, okay? We put this in here, and we have that. I think that's really cute. Still need to get something for my pockets. And then on this side, we put this cute little teapot. I think this is precious. I may put this little thing. I just hate to cover up the Mad Hatter. If I put it up here, wouldn't cover up as much, but the clock is up here, so I think it would need to be down here. So I'm not sure about that. I also made some like little pockets that I thought, well, I could just put in here and do those, like little tucks, really. So I don't know. We might do that next time instead. I haven't decided, to be totally honest, okay? But I love this, okay? So we did that. And then we have this on here with all these little chest pieces. I think they are adorable with 2 tuck spots.